Otherwise, it may fail. That's why credential management and affinity is important in discovery. Props, sensors, props will go and collect information, and sensors will do process that information in service now and update that data through CMDB. And application mapping. Why application mapping helpful to service now? So application mapping helps us understand how an application is connected to servers and databases in service now, and why patterns helpful to service now and customizations. Patterns are few types in service now. Top, bottom based patterns. We can also customize patterns to discovery using additional attributes for applications like Tomcat or MySQL, discovery maps, that relationships. And I will explain small example. In service now, discovery is very helpful. Example, your company has 25 servers and network devices across the office network and AWS cloud, but no one exactly what exists with discovery, because everything was added manually over time. In that case, the discovery will helpful to find out how many devices have in organization. Yes. Okay, second one is CMDB. CMDB is the backbone of service now. It stores all configuration items and their relationships using the CI class manager. Uh, in service now, most of the database will stored in CMDB. CMDB have almost 5,000 tables in service now. Yeah. CMDB structure and CI class manager means CMDB every time follows a proper class structure. That structure is like, servers, databases, applications, and network devices have service now. CI, CI class manager uh, customize the classes, CI classes as per business requirement. Why asset management helpful to service now? Asset management in through CMDB are related, but use cases is different. Both are have uh, have same quality, but in use cases these are two are different: asset management and CMDB. Because asset focuses on cost and life cycle, CMDB focuses on relationships, CI relationships. IRE is very important in Itom, because identification reconciliation engine avoids duplicate CIs, ensures data quality. Your third topic is event management. Event management helps us handle alerts smartly in ServiceNow. Monitoring tools send many events based on requirement in ServiceNow. Why alerts are useful to ServiceNow? Alert rules decide whether to create alert, suppose alert, or update existing alert. Because events are Events are based on created the requirement, automatically get alerts in service now. Maintenance rules. Yeah, in this alert correlation engine groups related alerts and find the root cause. Alert correlation engine helpful to find the root cause where um sometimes mails not getting the customer in that time alert correlation engine is very helpful. These one maintenance rules. Maintenance rules are during planned maintenance, helpful to find unwanted alerts, won't disturb the team. Using workflows and flow designer for alert remediation. We can using workflows to our flow designer. We can automate actions like instant creation in service now. Events like example in service now. If CP is high and many alerts are coming, um, at that time correlation will create only one mail alert. Otherwise, it will be too much noise. That time event management helpful to service now. Fourth one is service mapping. Service mapping in service now helps us understand how a business service is built. Business service discovery using Apache, Tomcat, and MySQL. Yeah, it Tomcat, Apache Tomcat, and MySQL. It discovers applications like Tomcat and MySQL and maps their dependencies. These dependencies, Tomcat and MySQL dependencies, maps their maps in service now. Cloud tag based service mapping discovery helps in mapping cloud services easily in service now. Check the BSM and dependency maps with tickets means BSM and dependency maps helps teams understand the business impact clearly. In real-time projects, service mapping follows proper approval and change process. Example, in MySQL goes down in service now. In that case, service mapping shows which business service is impacted, so support team can act fast. In this, understand the overall approval and the real-time process to work on service maps in an organization. In this case, organizations use approvals and the governance. The LGU service maps are accurate, updated in real-time cases in ServiceNow. Automate the ServiceNow orchestration. ServiceNow orchestration is mainly used for automation in ServiceNow. Um, first, required plugins should be activated. ServiceNow orchestration is one of the plugin in Itom. We need to activate that this orchestration plugin. Active Directory orchestration. In ServiceNow, using AD orchestration, we can automate user creation, disable user and group assignments. In ServiceNow, have many users and groups. We can automate user easily using Active Directory orchestration. Second one is plugin activation. Yeah, plugin activation, that one only I told. ServiceNow orchestration, we need to activate the plugin first. build ServiceNow catalog with orchestration. We can integrate orchestration with ServiceNow catalogs also. Uh, orchestration, we can build catalog items that trigger orchestration workflows, making customization available to end users. Sixth one, dependency views. Dependency views l- let us visualize CI relationships. We can create, manage, load, and save these views in ServiceNow. This helps IT teams understand the impact of changes and incidents, create the changes, and manage the changes, incident life cycle, and change life cycle. Seventh topic, managing cloud. ServiceNow, ServiceNow integrate with multiple cloud provides like AWS, Azure, and GCP. For AWS, we configure credentials and accounts. ServiceNow integration, through REST integration, outbound integration, we can integrate with AWS, Azure through ServiceNow. Configure Amazon AWS cloud uh, through ServiceNow. Cloud discovery then identifies CI relationships. Anyone worked on cloud in Itom?
No, Swati, I have not worked on neither cloud or nor Itom.
Okay, which topics you are
Yeah.
working?
So actually, I have a questions over here. Okay,
Okay,
actually, I worked in ITSM. Okay, like BMC Remedy, then Sapphire, Symphony Summit, I all this stuff. And
okay,
I am from infra side, like IMPM, CM, SLA, SLM, and some part of CMDB. But I never worked on core CMDB of any of the tools. With basic understanding of CMDB, I have it. So my question was to you, or sorry, question is to you, like, will I, because I don't know whether in ITOM you require a scripting or not, because I'm working as a pre-sales consultant. I am a functional consultant where I need not to do any scripting
okay.
or do not have any knowledge of scripting as well. Okay, so is it okay for me or no? Means because I heard that in ITOM somewhere you need to have a scripting knowledge, right?
Yes, yeah, it is good for you because
Ye-
no need to
mhm.
write scripting in Itom.
So when you says that like scripting is not required, then I will able to do or able to understand and get the knowledge from this class to work as a pre-sales consultant for ITOM, right?
Yes, yeah,
Okay.
few requirements comes under script include, but no
Mm.
need that much script. Script include have script.
So you will share that, right? Which are means for an information perspective, which you require the
Yes,
scripting.
yeah.
Okay, and from this syllabus, which of the parts you may or may not able to cover? Which I know that certain things you may not able to cover because of some issues, plugins, or which of the parts means when you say a cloud discovery, will we able to get an discovery from AWS? Like,
Yes,
okay, so you have the credentials. Okay, no problem. Because uh, it will cover both ham and sam, right? Some part of asset
yes,
management.
yeah, depends on the requirement.
Mm, okay,
Yeah,
because CMDB should give me a better understanding.
can you repeat?
CMDB needs to have a good understanding here, I believe that you need to have a
Yes,
good
already
understanding of.
CMDB, ITSM have CMDB.
I'm honest with you, from service now I don't know. Remedy I used to know because I used to work in Remedy for a long time.
Okay, okay, got
Miss
it.
discovery part I am no, miss agent based agent is a basic discovery. But in a detailed this CMDB I don't know from the service now. That's why I wanted to learn item CMDB as well.
Okay.
So this is my concern that I had a word with, I think with Aisha, like should I go for item or item, because I should not get confused from either of them.
Yeah,
Basic.
item is good,
Uh,
easy, and no scripting.
hello,
Yeah, item is good
just a second.
for
I
you.
lost. I lost you. I lost. Yeah,
Okay.
can you repeat?
Yeah, item is good for you because there is no scripting.
Okay. Okay. So in CMDB, we will discover, we will push the data using a IRE engine, right? Where we
Yes.
will write a rule and everything.
Yeah, identification reconciliation.
Identification regression engine.
Yes.
Okay. Service mapping is there. Maybe CSDM is not there. Custom services. That
No.
mod.
Yeah, that one is other module.
Okay. Can you give me at least a brief idea because I joined late about yourself, like how long you've been working in Itom, like how Itom works.
Item. Yeah, I have total 4 years of experience in service
Hmm.
now.
Hmm.
Yeah, I have 2 years of experience in Itom.
Okay, so in that scenario, you will guide us, right? Because in when we learn this, we need to have at least a demo kind of project where we'll get an idea.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I worked on in item discovery
Mhm.
and in my
That's okay.
previous
That's not an
project.
issue. But
Um,
the for us as a fresher, we will learn and we'll go from the recording. But real time, how real time it works? That is a dummy project kind of things. Are we going to get a chance to work on dummy projects?
yes, in personal instance.
Yeah, that's okay. But do project, how item works? I like real time. Like it starts with discovery, like when we need to what, something like that. As a as an experience purpose from my side, I should able to answer. Means even if I won't work, then I will not able to come to know, right? Individually, because with the help of yours, we will able to do it. Because you will
Okay.
always be there to help us. But how long? After
Yeah,
some time,
in
we'll have to.
item in real time project in service now means working on a live production environment where real users, real data, like real instance. You know, instance.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Incident
Yeah.
management.
Yes. Uh, I'm working on customer requirements based on configuration.
Exactly. That we
Yes.
need to get it because
Yes.
else we will not able to comrade how real time works. I know that by reading this event rules, like we will write an event for an example, server's RAM gets over by a certain threshold and it should send an event. That ticket should get generated. That is a, a thing that we understand, but how it works, that you will guide us, right?
Yes. Yeah. I will show in real time.
Mhm. Okay, okay. Thank you,
Mm.
Swati.
Yeah.
Done from my side.
Is there any queries?
Swati, can you share this thing that you're showing us via whoever is from the HKR, they can send us this syllabus so that I can come to know if it is okay.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah. I have added a few topics. Yeah. It is
Hmm.
okay.
Yeah, please. And how long it will take to learn cover all these eight things? Is
Yeah.
it a daily or a only weekend? Because since at least for me, I'm working, no, so I'll only able to do it either on weekend.
Weekend.
Probably be
I don't know
difficult
based
for
on
Yeah,
your
you.
timing.
that that I will discuss after the meeting.
No
You
problem, no
can
problem,
just the
no problem.
technical
Yeah,
queries
yeah,
you
yeah,
can
yeah,
check.
yeah. Okay,
Okay.
okay.
May I know the name? It is iPhone.
iPhone should be me.
You only.
Duke.
Okay. Yeah, Duke. Any queries you can check.
No queries, no queries.
Swati, I have one query.
Okay, tell me.
Could you please also cover that, third-party tool integration like SCCM and event correlation tool?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Swati, you can take any topic and go for few minutes. Okay.
Yeah, which topic?
Could you please go for a little bit IRE for any one of the examples? How actually IRE does work?
Okay. Uh, IRE, identification reconciliation engine. It is uh,
Correct.
it is used to identify the correct CI or not in service now. Avoid Mostly avoid duplicate records in CMDB. Example. Um, okay. Example. IRE checks the identification rules like host name, IP address, and serial number. Like in organizations have many servers, right? In that case, outside server is came that have created duplicate servers. I mean, outside server name EC2, same name organization also have. In that case, IRE will helpful to identify which server is um, our organization server or not. In that case, identification rules check host name, IP address, and serial number. Since the CI already exists, IRE does not create a new record in that case. Can I say other example?
Yeah, go ahead. But can we also get this data from, a report or a dashboard?
Can you repeat? Your voice is breaking.
What I was saying, can we also get this such kind of a data from any out-of-box report or any, item dashboard where directly we can visualize or we can share to customer that you can directly visualize if any duplicate asset come or any duplicate services
Yes.
come, you can directly from check out from that dashboard or report. Okay, that will also cover, correct?
Yes. But mostly outside records
Mhm.
will coming from multiple sources.
Correct. But
Yeah.
customer maybe they want to see such kind of any dashboards. If you could create, because customer doesn't have any enough time to get to see that complete report. They just want to see the visualize that dashboard kind of thing. How many asset meant to say discovered today date? How many is the license getting to expire? Such kind of a dashboard can we also create?
Yes. Yeah, when customer wants a dashboard, in that case, ID is helpful, right?
Yes, because that tool which
Yeah.
I'm using right now for Itom, that is the capability to showcase that complete things. Is there any duplicate asset or any duplicate services or any
Yes.
duplicate software is there, and what is the what is the expiry licensing date, how many so whatever that attribute data is about to expire and something is there, we can directly get it from that dashboard. So such kind
Yes.
of thing can be
Yes.
also
But
utilized in that. Service now, that's what I was asking.
Yes, but dashboards and reports case mostly we using indicator designer.
Okay, so this will not cover in this our topic.
Yes.
Okay, that's what my question. Thank you.
Dashboard widgets that is comes under service portal. Service portal is one of topic in service now.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
Okay. Is there any queries? Please let me know.
I'm sorry, one more thing I forget to mention. SAM or HAM will also cover hardware asset management, software asset management, or is it a different topic?
Yes, yeah, these are different topics.
Or that will not come in item. Got it.
Yes. Yes, Sam and Ham are related to Itom, but I didn't mention in that in this talk. Sam and Ham related to ITSM also, you know.
Yeah, but
Mhm.
Swati, like, will we able to understand like how Ham or Sam works? Means when since you are going to cover the discovery part, you will surely discover the assets, right?
Yes, yes. Sam uses um yeah,
Certain part of
soft
a certain part of hardware will cover the SAM, right? Means for an example, if you are covering the
no software will cover Sam, software license and
but if you are showing us the laptop discovery for an example, then it will showcase you how many softwares are there in that laptop or no during the discovery part.
yes, yes, yeah. Yeah, I told.
So I think that was your question, right, sir? I think he's on mute. I think he wanted to understand that.
Yeah, can you repeat your question?
Yeah, sure. So when we are covering the discovery part, okay, you will show us the discovery, right? By discovering some devices. Because
Yes,
for item you require to have a server, right? So server
yes,
could be a asset from the hardware asset management on the basis of IP address that you mentioned for a IRE engine, right? But that
yes,
server could have some software like OS or any of the particular software, just to name for an example I'm saying, okay? So that will also get discovered with with that server itself, right?
yes, yes.
So, so that I think that sir was trying to ask you the same question, like will it cover as a part of discovery the hardware and software, so that at least we'll come to know how
Yes,
software,
yeah, it will comes
yeah,
Sam and
how
Ham.
software
Yes,
works or how software gets stored in CMDB software part. Okay.
yes.
Yeah, anybody have any queries? Or else we can end the session.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much.